Why is fungi important in the agricultural system?
So fungi are super important in the agricultural system, and I think a little bit neglected. I know when we talk about, most of the time when you hear fungi referred to in agriculture, we're talking about fungicides. So there are pathogens, diseases that are fungal borne. And so fungicides, whether they're on the seed or sprayed onto the plant, are used to kill those pathogens and those diseases. But I believe, and I'm not quite sure on this number, but I believe it's only 2% of the fungi in the soil are pathogens or diseases. The other 98% are either plant beneficial or neutral. So fungi are super important in an agricultural system because they actually have a host of functions that are similar to bacteria but different. And if you think about an ecosystem, you always want to have a balance. Too much of one thing isn't always a great thing. And the use of fungicides, whether they're on the seed or sprayed onto the plants and drip down into the soil, that degrades the fungi in the soil. And then agricultural practices degrade the fungi in the soil. If you think about fungi, they're like a plant. It's almost like a plant root system. They're growing throughout the soil. And when you seed, you disturb the soil. When you till, you disturb the soil. And these are all practices that farmers need to do to achieve the result they're looking to achieve. Yeah. But understanding that every time you're doing something like that, you're degrading all of those fungi in the soil. So it's really important to try and achieve a balance between your fungi and your bacteria in the soil. And